What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, Jasmy has hit a green candle. As you guys can see, it is up just over 26%, currently valued at just over 2 cents in value. So we're going to be going through, is this the returning point for Jasmy? Is it going to pump back up from this point onwards, or is it likely to hit more red candles over the coming days and weeks? And essentially looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, how high and how low can the crypto go, and mainly focusing on, is this a crypto still worth investing into in 2024, as well as covering buyers and sellers point of view. Is it time to buy, is it time to hold, or is it time to sell it? That's what we're going to be covering as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to bring up right now, so as you guys can see. But I'm going to be using the Fibonacci scale later on in the video to do some technical analysis. For now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and Jasmy has finally pumped up over the SMA indicator in purple, which is quite a good sign. When it did drop below the SMA indicator, I did expect it, or I did predict it even, to pump back up above the SMA indicator, which is exactly what's happened. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep guys, meaning this is not as realistic as it seems. Reason is looking so steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. The graph thinks the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming 12 to 14 hours. However, that's not realistic, and that's not the case either. So by the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, yes, I'm expecting Jasmy to have gone through a minimal increase in value, potentially heading up to about 0.024 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, do expect red candles in between as well, as that is always part of the process. Even right now when it was pumping, it has hit red candles in between, and I'm expecting more red candles over the coming hours as well. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart over the next couple of days, what can we expect? So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid next week, again we got the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, looking quite steep once again. So again guys, this is not as realistic as it seems. So as you guys can see, just like the previous chart, this is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, I'm expecting Jasmy, yes, to have gone for an overall increase in value. However, in between that time, it is likely to hit red days as well. I'm not expecting a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is likely to be a minimal increase in value. Yes, getting closer to the 3 cents target, but not quite there yet. 0.027 cents, around that price range is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by mid next week. But there will be a mixture of green and red days in between, so do expect it to be quite volatile as well. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? So by May 2024, what we can see here is that the blue line is looking quite bullish and the orange line is looking quite bearish. So the two lines are going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected from the graph over the next 6 to 8 weeks. However, by May, I'm expecting Jasmy to have gone through an overall increase in value, heading past the 3 cents target, getting closer to the 4 cents target is what I'm expecting. But Jasmy is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a daily basis even, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload, and mainly to stay in the loop on any predictions or updates that come across that can change the prediction on Jasmy, just so that I can keep you guys in the loop and keep you guys updated as well. So far it is looking quite good, but also we have the Bitcoin halving coming up in April, which should also have a major impact on not just Jasmy but the crypto market in general, which I will also keep you guys updated on as much as I can. So moving on to the Fibonacci scale here, as you guys can see, we have broken out into the dark green zone, which I did expect it to do so over a few days ago in one of my Jasmy videos, and which it has done. And right now I'm expecting it to dip back down a little bit and then pump back up, hitting the next resistance level by late March and potentially heading into the blue zone here in early to mid-April. It should be heading into the blue zone and potentially higher than that over the coming weeks in late April and May. But again, if there are any updates, I will let you guys know. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume has once again pumped up quite a bit, 80% up in the last 24 hours, making it $340 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason for that is the value of Jasmy has also pumped up quite a bit, so a lot more people are back and there are a lot more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. Not just for Jasmy, but the crypto market has recovered quite quickly, with Bitcoin heading over $67,000 last night, so majority of the cryptocurrencies are also on the green side. And over the week it is up just about 15% after it took a little bit of a step back, and over the month it is still up about 60%. So far so good for Jasmy, guys. So let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024, especially after the quite of a wave that's happened, I would call it a price correction as well, as you guys can see here in late February and early March. Can the crypto hit 10 cents? Let me know, guys, as I've seen a lot of people commenting that. However, for me, 10 cents would be quite of a push for 2024. It could get closer to the 10 cents target, but not necessarily hitting it, because it will require a major percentage increase, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy this year. Potentially by mid next year, depending on how the crypto market performs, it may be able to hit the 10 cents target, but for me, not this year. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Jasmy, guys. Let me know what your takes are, and on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.